Okay guys, so today, what are we doing?
Making Rice Krispies.
We're making Rice Krispie treats. So, the recipe is...
And check this one. No, yeah, there's either 2 butters or some both. These are salted butters, but it doesn't matter. You add in marshmallows. No, no, no. A handful. This is approximately a handful. 4 and a bit.
Vlog, say hi to Mitchell. Mitchell, say hi. Now microwave for 45 seconds. No, that's 4 minutes. Now it's 30. Click 45. 45, stop clicking it. 45 seconds, and we'll be back. We got marshmallow pulp.
It's 2 ingredients.
It's actually 3. Yeah.
Marshmallows and Rice Krispies.
Yeah, that's 3.
Well, review our food. Try it. What? What is it? Rice Krispie treat? On the video. Hi. Review our food. It's just a Rice Krispie treat. It is. That's because it is. It's all the ingredients, so it is. It's like a Rice Krispie treat. Try. You're like such a fucking raging bitch. Like, I'm not a raging bitch. It's just a fucking Rice Krispie. I don't understand what's special about it. Why you can mess that up? I applaud you guys. Clearly there's entrepreneurship. Please. Shout out. Follow me on YouTube. Follow Kathy working on YouTube. Not bad.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
10 out of 10? Ew. Eat.
I just want to.
Oh, I'm so
Oh my god.
Hi guys. Look at this marshmallow, babe. Mitchell, can you review this?
It's really good.
It's Rice Krispies. Try it. Rice Krispie treat. For the
We didn't like poison you.
What do you think? Okay, thank you. Stop stealing my marshmallows, you fat no ass.
That's the end. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Like and comment.
Notifications so you don't miss a video.